How to access memories on Snapchat web. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's start with this tutorial. Starting off, you need to launch your preferred browser on your device. Now in the search bar, search for your Snapchat web. Tap on the first suggestion, that is Snapchat for web. Now wait until it is completely loaded. Now in our mobile device, the memory icon is laid next to the camera icon. However, in your Snapchat web, to access your memories, it is quite different. For that, you need to go ahead and tap on a bit emoji icon in your left hand corner. From where you have to tap on account settings. Now wait until it is loaded. From this list of options at the very top, you will see My Data. Tap on where it says My Data option. In here, you need to select your memories. That is the first option that includes memories, chat media, and shared stories. You can select the download file size as well. Ensure that your HTML file is toggled on and JSON file is toggled off. Now, if you want to, you can deselect the rest of the options if you do not want this data in your downloaded file. Make sure to select memories and other media, then tap on Next. In the second step, you need to select the date range, also confirm your email address. This is so it can download the particular memory from the particular date. Now mind it will take a while, and it will also notify you once your file is ready to be downloaded. You can easily navigate this folder in your device, and when you tap open, you will find the memories file right in your downloaded data. And that's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.